Plastic waste is a major issue all over the world. At Helpling, we realized that we have a plastic problem. We were throwing away up to 100 single-use water bottles every day. So we decided that we had had enough. We ordered refillable bottles for all our team members and asked everybody to replace the plastic bottles. Immediately we saw a drop in the number of plastic bottles we were throwing away. But not only this, but we also started to save money, since we didn't need to order as many water bottles as we used to do. At Helpling, we are not only committed to cleaner homes, but we are also committed to a clean environment. So we hope that inspires other companies to do the same.